Good morning, students. Hope you are well. Everybody is safe at house. We are also fine here, and hope we are going to rid of this situation sooner. So last class we have discussed about three questions, and hopefully I have given quite a lot of materials regarding with your that can help you. But regarding the writing, I will upload it sooner. So today I am going to start with a poem that is Thomas Hood's I Remember, which has been included in your syllabus. Okay. So go through the poem, look at the poem. In the first stanza I am going to describe you and quite just keep your concentration over there. I remember the house where I was born, the little window where the sun came peeping in at morn. He never came a wink too soon nor brought too long a day, but now I often wish the night had borne my breath away. Look at the beginning of the line. I remember had borne my breath away, the last line. At the first line when he started, he is telling, वो बता रहे हैं कि I remember उन्हीं बोलছেন আমার মনে পড়ছে but at the end he is trying to say had borne my breath away, means those memories which he had already passed away, yet he is recollecting at the present moment, and now his breath is being taken away to that previous situation. In that first stanza, the poet is trying to express his heart's feeling, express his own desire, with the help of which he wants to make us understand the poet is going through a bitter pain because he has lost his childhood. कवि अपने बचपन को खो चुके हैं, जैसे हम लोग अपने बचपन को अभी खो चुके हैं, तो हम लोग अपने बचपन को याद करते हैं, আমরা আমাদের চাইল্ডহুডের স্মৃতি মনে করি. Quite naturally here Thomas is trying to just representing all of us. We are just enjoying our presenthood, but quite naturally somehow anyway we wish to get back to the previous childhood. It is quite natural. So to come to the second paragraph. I remember the rose and the red white, those flowers, the violets and the lily cups. The rose, the lily, those are the beautiful flowers that were flourishing in his garden or the nearby the gardens, that is yet still working in his memories. He is still looking for that situation. ये हमारे साथ भी घटता है ना. अभी वर्तमान में जब लोग खड़े रहते हैं तो हमारे बचपन में जो जो हुआ रहता है ना, उसको हम लोग खोजते हैं कि अगर ऐसा होता, अगर ऐसा हो सकता था, আমরাও ভাবি এরকম যদি আমাদের এরকম ঘটে, আজ আমরা এই জায়গায় গেলে অনেক সময় আমরা যখন কোনো একটা পুরনো জায়গায় যাই তখন রিয়েলাইজ করি, বা চাইল্ডহুড স্কুলে যখন যাই রিয়েলাইজ করি যে এইভাবে সময়টা কাটিয়েছি. ইনফ্যাক্ট ইট হ্যাপেন্স টু মি ওয়েন এভার আই গো অ্যান্ড মিট মাই childhood school where I just passed my 1 to 4, that is my primary section. I'm still it just touches my memory. Though I'm meeting my friends, they have grown like me. They also are improved in their own states, own affairs. But the memory is very touchy. Nobody can avoid that memory. So far as Thomas Wood concerned, he is also telling the same thing as we are also feeling in the same way. Those flowers made of light and the lilacs where robin builds. Lilacs is a tree where the robin was building his nest. That means to look at the robin. Today in our busy schedule we do not have enough time to look at the robin's nest or anything else. But in this regard, in this sense, I would like to just mix one thing, that thanks to lockdown that we are able to look at the nature. In fact, nature, our own mother, has come alive with this situation. It is a very realistic situation. I think you all guys have noticed it, that we are experiencing some natural animals which we have never expected. जो हम लोग उस एनिमल को देख रहे हैं जहाँ जगह जगह पे हमारे सोशल मीडिया का द्वारा जिन लोगों को हम लोग अभी देखे ही नहीं है, ज़्यादातर আমরা কোনো দিন দেখি নি. So in this situation the poet is trying to say that where my brother sat, the Lebanon on his birthday, the tree is living yet. My brother is no more, but the tree is living there. The tree is standing there. Here the poet is commemorizing his lost thought of his brother. He is now pained at heart उनके दिल में बहुत सारे दर्द हैं, उनका मने खूब कष्ट हो. He is just greatly pained at heart that he is trying to realize the lost memories of his brother through those situations, the trees, the flowers, the garden, and all those things which were used to stand with them. But now the poet in such a situation where he is alive, where the tree is alive, but his brother is no more. Though so the poem till now, I think it is quite clear to all of the students that the name of the poem is focusing on what it is trying to say. So in the third paragraph, I remember again he is starting with the where I was used to swing and thought air rush as phrase to swallows on the wing. My spirit flew in feathers then. We had a spirit that were flying away. In childhood, जब बचपना रहता है ना, तब हम लोगों का शरीर में जो है एक जो रेस्ट लेने का मानसिकता नहीं रहता है. हमरा आराम करते चाहिए, हम लोग दौड़ते हैं, भागते हैं सारा दिन के बाद. जब हम लोग टायर्ड होते हैं ना, तो घर पे आके बस उसके बाद सोना, खाने के बाद कब सो जाते हैं, उसके बाद फिर सुबह को जागना. तो दिस इज़ आवर डेली रूटीन. जस्ट रिमेंबर इट, ऑल ऑफ यू. आई एम सजेस्टिंग यू, आई एम टेलिंग यू, जस्ट रिमेंबर दिस थिंग. आप लोगों के साथ ये होता था, आप लोगों के साथ भी ये हो रहा है या होगा. सिचुएशन ये था कि हम लोगों के साथ ये सब होता था. हम लोग भी दौड़ते थे, सुबह को भागते थे, कब सुबह हो, कब घर से निकले और फिर कब आएंगे कोई ठीक नहीं. दोपहर का खाना शाम को होता था, सुबह का खाना दोपहर को होता था. तो दिस वाज द सिचुएशन. আমাদের চাইল্ডহুড মেমোরিজ এরকম ছিল না, সব কিছু উল্টো পাল্টা ছিল, কিন্তু একটা জিনিস ছিল, উই হ্যাড a lot of enjoyment which we all were looking for. So the swallows on the wing, my spirit flew feathers then, that is so heavy now. The swallows were flying. That was very interesting or very soothing to me. But now it has become too tiring. It has become too heavy for my heart to carry, because everything is same. सब कुछ ठीक है except one thing, that my brother except the loss of those persons who are not with us. In the last paragraph, he again goes down and telling, I remember the fire trees dark and high. I used to think their slender tops were close against the sky. Slender मतलब क्या होता है ना, पतला सा. टॉप जो होता है लंबा खड़ा हो जाता है, जो आसमान को छूता है. हम लोग अभी वर्तमान के जीवन में खड़े होकर कभी किसी वृक्ष को देखते हैं, আমরা কোনো গাছকে দাঁড়িয়ে দেখি না. What we do, just we pass away the situation. But in childhood, try to memorize that we sometimes, whatever the situation it might be, we just stood that situation and try to look out what it was, how it was, क्या है, कैसा है, क्यों है. These are the questions. But now if you are looking, your friend would ask you, what are you doing here, why are you wasting your time? Because we are now engaged in some different situation. We are not in the childhood days, right? So it was a child ignorance, but now it's little joy to know I am farther off from heaven than when I was a boy. So it is clear the poet is now in a situation when he is farther away from that, but that was a heaven, not today. कभी ये नहीं बोल रहे हैं कि आज ये हेल है, लेकिन ये वर्तमान का जो सिचुएशन है, ये वर्तमान आपको बताता है कि आपका अतीत क्या था. আজকের বর্তমান আমাদেরকে বলে আমাদের অতীত কী ছিল. তাই we have to take care of the one thing, that your present is under your situation, as Leo Tolstoy told you, but whatever is your present depends on your past. So far as the poem is concerned here, I remember the poet is trying to say that all the lost memories, whatever he has lost, he is trying to realize, he is trying to commemorate, he is trying to collect those lost memories. He is trying to collect the memories of the lilacs, collect those memories of the robin, collect the memories of the slender tree, even the lost memories of his brother. Everything is at its way, but one thing has been changed, that he is now at a situation from where he can realize the past. He is now at a pain because he has his brother in a lost situation. The flowers, the garden, the Lebanon, everything where his brother were sitting with him and enjoying the time and passing his time, everything was in its way, everything was very soothing, enjoyable. But now what is transforming, what is changing. Now it is quite heavy for me. अभी ये मेरे लिए बड़ा दर्दनाक है कि मैं उसको रियलाइज़ करूँ, और रियलाइज़ करके मेरा जो अतीत वो मुझे मेरे पीछे भागता है. एक्चुअली मैं बोलना चाहता हूँ, अतीत जो हमारे पीछे भागता है ये एक हर किसी व्यक्ति का अपना अपना सेंस होगा, लिटरेचर है जो जिस तरीके से समझे. मेरा कहने का मतलब ये है कि आपका अतीत जो है वही आपका वर्तमान को दर्शाता है. इट इज़ योर पास्ट विच रिप्रेजेंट्स योर प्रेजेंट. अदरवाइज you cannot be able to understand what is your present and has it come from and where. So Thomas Wood's poem is also representing our life, I feel. You need to understand one thing very clearly about the poem. It is about the remembering of those lost memories, of those lost understandings, those situations which the poet and his friends and his brother had were enjoying a lot. Now they are in a situation, now the poet is in a situation, he might be very busy, he might be in his old age, but he is in that situation from where he can realize, where he can draw back those forgotten memories. अब जब हम लोग अपने भूले हुए सब मेमोरी को वापस लाएंगे तो एक चीज़ तो क्लियर होता ही है, वो है हम लोग अपने मेमोरी के द्वारा हम लोगों के पूर्व जितने कार्य हैं उसको भी हम लोग वापस लाते हैं. In this situation here, one thing is very clear. The poet is trying to say that we are now in such an age to realize those situations. But one thing is very clear, that our forgotten memories is our treasure. So in the last line, the poet tried to say that though it's paining me, but I am farther away from the situation, but it is very clear, I am very sure these are something extraordinary. We have to have these memories. Thus, the theme of the poem is very much clear: to remember the lost or forgotten memories, and by those memories, try to realize or understand the present situation. इस पोएम का सबसे सीधा आसान तरीका है समझने का. इससे पोएट जो है अपने पूर्व मेमोरी को, लॉस्ट मेमोरी को खोज रहे हैं और उससे अपने पूर्व लॉस्ट हुए जीवन को फिर से जीना चाहते हैं, और कुछ नहीं है. सो আমরা জীবনে এটা করে থাকি সর্বদা, আমরা বর্তমানে দাঁড়িয়ে আমরা অতীতের আমাদের চাইল্ডহুড যে মেমোরি সেটাকে সবসময় খোঁজার চেষ্টা করি, খুঁজে সেটার মাধ্যমে আর একটা জীবনে একটু সময় একটু আনন্দ বেঁচে থাকার চেষ্টা করি. সো দ্য পোয়েম ইজ জাস্ট রিলেটেড টু দ্যাট লস্ট মেমোরিজ অ্যান্ড related to recalling those lost memories and to revive a life with a new enjoyment, with new life or new vigor. So far the poem is concerned, I hope I have cleared myself. If you have any doubt, please click on the comment box and leave a comment so that I would just keep in touch with you. I would help you rather, in fact. Okay, so take care, be at home. I will be again available sooner with the remaining portion, with the extra poem, with the questions answer of the poem in the same discussion we are going through. Okay, take care. Till then, goodbye. We are meeting soon. In home, be at home, be safe, and save our lives. Goodbye.